Today's video, you're going to wash my car. My car is very dirty, and I went to the beach like a month ago, and there's still sand in my car, and I had a bunch of bags in it, but I already took them out, and yeah. But right now, I'm coming back from work. Yeah, I'm coming back from work, and yeah, my friend is gonna help me. I'm going to pick her up, and she's going to the car wash with me. And it's self-wash, so you have to wash it yourself. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the car wash. Hi. I'm so tired right now, but I have to clean that car, like, cause tomorrow I have no time, and the time changed tomorrow. So at this time it will be dark outside, like really dark. All right, guys, we're here and we're washing the car. All right, Angelica is cleaning the back, and right now I'm gonna wipe down those, and I have a bunch of paper in the front. I don't know why I do, but don't ask me why. Okay, now we're going to spray. Where is my spray? It's right here.
So now we're going to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Are you buying me? See? I have a nice friend. She's buying me Chick-fil-A. But this is what I'm using. It's like smells really good.
Yes, smells good. Smells fresh.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't play. Okay guys, that's it for the video today. I just wanted to show you how I was cleaning my car with my friend over here. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Bye. And this is the Bible verse for today. I'm gonna put it on her face. This is the Bible verse for today, and have a great day. Don't forget to drink water, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Put your finger. Bye. Bye. Put your finger closer. Bye.